Hey there, viewers. Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll quickly learn how to add an extra layer of security to your Gmail account by enabling two-factor authentication. Let's dive right in. To begin, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, click on your profile picture, and then select Manage your Google account. Navigate to the Security tab and scroll down until you find the two-step verification. Let's go with the two-step verification for added security. Click on Get Started, and you'll be prompted to re-enter your Gmail password. Now, you'll need to add a phone number. It's essential to note that this number can be different from the one you initially used to register your Gmail account. Choose your preferred method, either SMS or a phone call. For this example, we'll go with SMS. Enter the SMS code you received and click Next. Finally, turn on the two-step verification, and you're good to go. To enhance your security further, you can also generate backup codes. Click on Get Backup Codes, and these codes can be used if you don't have access to your phone. Alternatively, you can use the Google Authenticator app for added convenience. And there you have it. Your Gmail account is now fortified with two-factor authentication. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want more helpful content in the future, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and stay secure online.